Hello everyone, tonight I'm staying at the Hilton Garden Inn, Milan North. I've been given room 434 on the 4th floor. So here's the key card, let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan / evacuation plan. To the left, as you enter the room, light switches, place to insert the key card for the room's power, and more light switches. Down below is a plug, and that is the view that you get as you enter the room. Further inside, we have the bathroom with a mirror. Hello. The sink, toilet, bidet, and I requested for a room with a shower because it's much easier to bathe in. So there you go, the shower area. Apparently they have a mixture of showers and bathtubs, so you can choose what kind of thing that you want. Further inside the room, more light switches, climate control panel. That is the bed, looks very comfy. Bedside table with the in-room telephone, lights, more light switches, and a plug. Right here we have some shelves, in-room safe, a fridge which you can actually use to keep your things in because there is nothing inside the fridge, and the hotel provides sort of like a pantry area below so you can purchase snacks and food and whatnot. More shelves above. Right in here you have some hangers to hang your clothes on, and a place to put your luggage below. Further inside, we have a flat screen LG TV, an armchair, desk area with the tea and coffee making stuff, another bedside table with a clock, another light, and more plugs and light switches. Okay, so that's just a quick view out of the window the next day. I'm about to check out, so I thought I'd give you a view of what I get. But yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 434 at the Hilton Garden Inn, Milan North. Thanks for watching and goodbye.